In this video, I will show you how to add your own logo and branding to Safeguard Secure Viewer. For an additional fee, publishers can substitute their own branding and logo in place of the Lock Lizard logo that is displayed in the top right-hand corner of the Safeguard Secure Viewer toolbar. Publisher-owned branding is a valuable and flexible approach to helping publishers present their unique electronic image in the same way as the print image is handled. Publisher-owned branding uses a web link to an image containing whatever image the publisher wishes to have displayed. That branding is transferred when the publisher's customer registers their license and is also updated, if necessary, whenever that customer's license is checked. So, publishers are able to change their house style dynamically and can even use special branding for periods of time if they so wish. However, it only changes on the customer's viewer when the license for that publisher is checked for any reason. I will now show you how to change the branding in the Safeguard Secure Viewer. So first open Windows Explorer, locate a document you wish to protect, right-click on the PDF and choose Make Secure PDF. This time in the PDF Writer, all we're going to do is click Publish. When the Protection Status window appears and says Protection has succeeded, just click OK. The newly protected document now has a PDC extension. This is now a protected PDF file, which can only be opened with the Lock Lizard Secure PDF Viewer. If we double-click on the file, the Secure Viewer will open and load the file. And here we are in the top right corner. Here we have the default Lock Lizard logo. That's the one we're now going to change for the own branding. So just to show you what it is and where it is, I've opened a document in the default state. So for now, we'll close down the viewer. So how do we change the logo? This time, we'll select another file, we'll right-click and choose Make Secure PDF. This time in the PDF Writer, if publisher-owned branding is enabled on your account, then the Customization tab will make an additional field available at the bottom called Viewer Branding Image. In the Viewer Branding Image field, enter the URL of a PNG, GIF, or JPG image you want to use to replace the Lock Lizard logo. The logo branding image must be a valid URL path to the image. Okay. You can also add a hyperlink to your custom logo so that when a user clicks on your logo, they are taken to your website. Just enter the URL at the end of the image URL location as per the example shown. So once that's entered in, all we have to do again is click Publish. This time, again in the Protection Status window, click OK, and here's the newly protected file. So we double click on it again. The Lock Lizard Secure Viewer will open and load the document. And here in the top right corner, we have our own logo display, or the logo that you wish. Please note, an internet connection is required in order to download and change the viewer toolbar logo. If no connection is available, or the logo is not found on the specified URL, the default Lock Lizard logo will be used. It's as simple as that. So once you're happy with that, we'll close the viewer and close Windows Explorer. In addition to changing the viewer branding image, you can also set up a splash screen branding image. This is applied to the document and will be displayed for a set period of time every time the document is opened. To enable this, again open Windows Explorer, locate the document you wish to protect, right-click on the PDF and choose Make Secure PDF. This time in the Writer window, again under the Customization tab, you also have an area that says Splash Screen Branding Image. In order to activate this, click the box, Show at Startup, then using the folder option, locate the file you wish to show as the graphic, click Open. The file then appears in the box there. Here you can set it for how many seconds you want it to display when the document opens. For this, we will leave it set to 3 seconds. So once you've done that, just click Publish. Again, when the protection status window appears, just click OK, and the newly protected document is there in the listing. So if we double click on it again, the secure viewer will open and load the document. And here comes the splash screen for 3 seconds, and then it goes. Okay? So every time the document is opened, that splash screen will appear for 3 seconds, or however many seconds you've set it to appear for. And that's it, you won't see it again. So when you finish with the document, close the viewer, close Windows Explorer. Customizing the license email with your own logo and text. When you add a customer or user to the LockLizard administration system, they automatically receive an email, unless you turn this feature off, with details on how to install the viewer software and register their license, or how to access the web viewer. This email can be customized with your own logo, images, and text, and even the user's name for a more personal touch. You can also change the email subject and include the user's name here too. This service is especially useful if you want to reinforce your branding, wish to apply a more personal message, which may include links to your protected documents, or wish to display text in another language. You can also add your own branding to the web viewer, but that is covered in the following video.